Today I'm going to show you how to create and launch your own cryptocurrency and have it actually be tradable on a DEX called Aerodrome, which is on the base chain, has Coinbase behind it, and is growing in popularity. So following me step by step, even if you've never created a token or a cryptocurrency before, you're going to have one set up and out there. And I encourage you just to do that. Just take that step, get it under your belt, and then you can strategize more and think about things like how to market your token. But just getting one under your belt gets you into the game, and then you can start thinking bigger. And it's very inexpensive to do. Make sure you have maybe $50 to $100 of Ethereum in your wallet on the base chain. Connect your wallet to the site, betterplatform.app/Vsale. So it's very inexpensive to do this. I also want to mention, if you go to the Telegram and look in the pinned posts, you might find some incentives or cash or crypto offers for those that do launches or who hit certain benchmarks. One of them could be getting support and consulting to launch off of our other platform called Sky Labs that can give you a lot of exposure. And one more thing I want to mention, and then we'll dive into the step-by-step. If you launch your token off Vsale, which I'm going to show you how to do, you automatically get exposure because it notifies the Vetter community in the Discord. Everyone in the Discord gets notified. Those who hold 10,000 Vetter or more get an immediate alert for every launch. So that's some additional exposure just for launching on Vsale. And again, check out the Telegram and the pinned post to find out what kind of prizes and incentives might be there for those that do this, who launch their token following these steps I'm going to show you. So let's go ahead and dive in. Go ahead and click, make sure your wallet's connected, obviously, and click Launch Token. And once you've clicked Launch Token, one of the first questions we got to answer is, what's the sale type? Meaning, what type of launch are you doing? Is it a pre-sale, a fair launch, a stealth launch? You might not even know what all those options mean. You don't need to move forward to get this under your belt. Let's just do something simple like a fair launch. Now we're going to name by the way, a fair launch means you're not raising funds like you are in a pre-sale. Very simple. That's what most meme coins are. Okay, let's look at the sale name. This is going to be the name that appears on the Vsale site. Let's just call it Nuts. N-U-T-Z will be the name of this. I'll do all caps. Will be the name of this token. Description. Whether you could be anything, guys. If you look at some of the descriptions of meme coins out there, they're ridiculous, right? It's all about entertainment more than anything with many of these things. And look at what Pepe did with a multi-billion-dollar market cap. Whether it's peanuts or walnuts or cashews, everyone is going nuts for nuts. So be creative, look at what other descriptions are. And again, on your first one, just practicing this, getting one created and launched out there. Don't overthink it. That's the important part. Okay, have you raised funds prior to this launch? Well, the answer is definitely no. Do you intend to raise funds after this launch? The answer on this one is no. Next step. Okay, so we're just following these questions. Super simple. Now we're going to create the token. Look how simple this is. If you don't have a token for your sale, use the button below to create one. So we're going to go ahead and create new token. So I clicked on that. And now the details of the token that we're creating. Token name, I'm just going to use the same name that I wanted on the Vsale site, Nuts. I'll do all caps. Token symbol, I'll just use the same name because it's short for the symbol, N-U-T-Z, but you can use any symbol that you want. Go look at some of the crazy meme coins out there. Really anything is possible in this regard. You might want to keep the token symbol short if the name isn't short that you're creating, but I've even seen some pretty long symbols out there. So again, on your first one, don't overthink it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to tokenomics. So I clicked on tokenomics and it's asking us token decimals. How many decimals do you want? Well, let's just go with what's already in here on default. Again, you can overthink and strategize this stuff later after you've created a few of these. Let's keep it simple. This is the number of decimals that are going to be in the token. How much can it be parsed up, basically? Token total supply. This is simply asking how many tokens do you want to be generated in total? How many do you want to be available? And again, don't overthink this initially. You can go look at what other tokens have in their total supply. I'm going to go ahead and keep this simple and do 1 billion, which is a pretty big number, right? Do I got the right thing here? Let's see. 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion. Okay. So it doesn't really matter. It's just going to, it's strategy. And we're going to talk about strategy and other resources. For now, just go with this number so that you can move forward and create your token. Now I'm going to click Review Details. And it's just asking you to confirm visually. Now I'm going to go ahead and create the token. And when I do this, it's actually literally going to create the token. It's not going to be tradable on a DEX yet. We're going to get to that next, but you'll actually have a token and the smart contract created. Here it's going to engage with your wallet. It's going to cost me 3 cents basically to do this particular transaction. There'll be other transactions as we go through the steps. I'm going to hit confirm. And the token has been created. You now literally have a token address. Okay, pretty easy, right? We see our token contract address. We see the name of it. We see how many decimals it's going to have so that it can be parsed up. You know, people can buy small amounts, larger amounts, etc. And we see the token supply, which is 1 billion. And we see the token balance, which is going to, of course, be the same. Now we hit next step. And again, if you have questions, write them down and plug into other resources that we have to help you with the strategy behind all of this. So now we're at sale details. So your hard cap is how much do you want to put into liquidity, meaning when you create the token and you get this launched on Aerodrome DEX so people can trade with it, people can buy it and sell it, how much are you initially putting in so that it can be tradable? I would go with something very, very small initially because you're just doing this to get through the process technically to get one created, get it under your belt. So I'm going to go 0.001, which is basically going to be about $2.60 in liquidity. There are strategies behind this. Sometimes people want to see a larger amount of liquidity in the pool to get started, but I've seen a lot of tokens do very well that started out with very low liquidity. So we can get into strategy and other resources. Again, let's just get one under your belt and keep the cost very low as you're moving through this process. Liquidity tokens. Again, there's a lot of strategy behind this, but in this particular case, with a lot of meme coins, you're going to put all of your tokens into liquidity. In our case, that was 1 billion. Make sure I have the right number of zeros. Okay. Lock up liquidity for how many days? This means how many days or weeks or months or years do you want to go by before you can access what you're putting into liquidity. Now, if you ever take out your liquidity, that's technically your rug pull. But, you know, there's different strategies for how you can go about this. A lot of people will just burn their liquidity. We'll talk about those kinds of things in strategy calls outside of this one. For now, just keep it simple. Get one of these under your belt. Let's go ahead and put, 3 days in my case. You could put 0 days if you wanted to. This is going to be how many days it takes for me to access this $2.60, this little amount of liquidity I'm putting in here. Router to use. This is referring to the DEX that it's going to be traded on. This is going to be traded on Aerodrome. To make this simple, it's going to all be done for you using this step-by-step process. I'm going to click Use Aerodrome. It's going to put Aerodrome's, that's the DEX, put their router in there. Then I'm going to hit Next Step. In this particular step, we're doing a fair launch, and as it says here, fair launch does not require any additional steps here. If you were doing something else like a pre-sale, you might have additional stuff here, but for a fair launch, we're just going to hit Next Step. Now we're just reviewing it. We're here in the final step. Look how simple this is, guys. I'm going to hit Create Sale. It opens up my MetaMask. You can see the cost here is very low, $26.89. I'm going to hit Confirm. All right, guys, look how fast we're able to move through this to create and launch your own cryptocurrency. Pretty amazing. Okay, so the next step requires that we click the Manage button, which is right here. It could take a little bit of time for your project that you just created to show up. You'll see that this is here. We can still populate it with marketing material like an image, all kinds of things. This is where you're going to want to do that. So go ahead and click Manage. Again, if you don't see it, just give it a little time. And then once it shows up, click View Sale. If this is your first token, or you're just getting a few under your belt to get used to this process, and you want to put more strategy and thought into exactly what you want to do later, you just want to get one done, go ahead and click Update Marketing and keep it simple. You can just go find an image out there, that represents your project. And you don't need to be concerned about copyright issues and trademark issues if you're not actually going to market this in any serious way or do anything with it in the market. So for demonstration purposes, and you literally could do the same thing if you're not going to market this out there, I'm just going to go to Google Images, type in nuts, and copy this image so that I can have an image. And it's kind of funny when you look at the types of images that are used out there in the Memecoin space. Sometimes this is exactly what they're doing, and they actually become successful projects. It's kind of remarkable. Then they update them later. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and upload this image. You go ahead and upload any image that you want associated with your project. If you have a YouTube account you want to link to, you'd put the embedded link here. I'm not going to put that for this one, for this demonstration. I just want to point out that some projects will literally link to a different YouTube account because what they're creating is simply a meme coin. And you can always create a YouTube account specific for your project in the future. Social links, website, there's some other things that we could talk about in other strategy resources, white paper. You don't need any of this to just enter into the game of meme coins. Now you can add a website later, you can develop these things later, you can add a Twitter, X, you can add any of these things at any time in the future for your project. But if you want to have it listed on Vsale, you need to enter it here. I'm not going to enter any of this for this example. I'm going to hit Update Marketing and just let this be created. At this point, we're simply going to hit Finalize Sale. It's amazing how simple this actually is. You got the token address here. I'm going to hit Finalize Sale. It's going to open up your wallet again. I just want to mention MetaMask gives a lot of strange warnings lately. I've got this is a deceptive request. It certainly isn't. I get the same thing on Aerodrome. Aerodrome support has said, just use a different kind of wallet because MetaMask is kind of buggy this way, but the process will still work just fine. So I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to hit Approve. Basically no cost there. And then here, with this particular step, 5 cents just to do this transaction to finalize this sale. And that's basically Vsale passing the liquidity on to Aerodrome. So this is now created on Aerodrome DEX. And we'll go look at that and see that this actually exists and is tradable. If you wanted to market it, if you wanted to get the word out about it, it actually exists. You just created and launched your own token. Congratulations. You might want to click this button to add your new token to your wallet. You just hit Add Token to Wallet. It just makes it easy to get this added to your wallet if you wanted to do that. And now if we go to the Aerodrome DEX and we go to Swap, you're going to see if you search for your new token, which I can do by clicking this down arrow and then entering the new token address, you see nuts shows up here. Now again, in separate resources, we can talk about how do you get this image updated inside Aerodrome. There's a lot of very successful projects like the meme coin called Mog that actually still, in fact, let's search for that. Mog, doesn't even have theirs updated. So don't overthink this stuff. Mog is, almost a $500 million market cap, and they haven't gotten their image updated in Aerodrome. So don't overthink and worry about these kinds of things. All right, so it's literally there. You can see, and people can now trade it. People could now actually go to Aerodrome and trade it. But again, just get one under your belt. That's how simple it is to create and launch your own cryptocurrency. And check for more resources from us on how do you get the word out about your token. What's the different strategy on creating your token? But just get some done. Get some under your belt so you can get that behind you, and then you can think about the bigger stuff. And just know and realize that when you launch your token on Vsale, it's getting exposure because everyone who's participating in the game, in the meme coin game, they're going to get a notification. If they have 10,000 vetter or more, they get it immediately. There's a slight delay for everyone else in the Discord, but everyone gets notified in there when a new launch happens on Vsale. So you're going to get some exposure there. And again, check the Telegram for contests and incentives and opportunities for those who launch a token on Vsale.